Namaskaram. I am Kesav Murthy. I am an HR cum educational consultant based in Coimbatore. This video is dedicated to the school students. They have now plenty of time because of the COVID holidays, and we do not know when when the school is going to reopen. So at least it will be a couple of more months they have in their hand, and where they need to spend in their home. So let us see how best they can make use of this time productively and usefully. In this video, we have three parts. We will cover the activities in three parts. In the part 1, we will look at the activities or the studies they can do with the help of books. And then the part 2, they will look at the activities they can do physically. And third is we can look at the activities which they can do with the help of computers and smartphones. Now let us look at the activities they can do with the help of the books. One is they will definitely have an online course from their school which will take away some 3 to 4 hours in a day. Still they have some time, so they can use their time and do some revision of studies, revision of old syllabus, previous class books, etc. They can even look at the next class subject books and try and see whether they can understand some of the chapters. Secondly, they can start writing letters to their relatives, their grandparents, uncles, etc., so that they can improve their written communication. It applies to all the languages, not only in English. They can even start writing in their own mother tongue and try and improve their written communication. Third is they can start reading some storybooks, and they can start reading some GK books. In fact, they can start reading newspapers, weeklies, and fortnightlies. So this will also help them in reading the subject, right? And then they can look at the history books and try and understand. We call as hunt the history. Similarly, they can explore the geography of the world with the help of an atlas and try and understand the various continents and the countries and what their developments, etc. Now we will look at what are the physical activities they can do. One physical activity they can do is the indoor games. They can play chess, they can play carom, they can play table tennis, or they can do exercises, they can do meditation, they can do yoga, or they can do even weightlifting, or even skipping. So these are the indoor games they can do. Secondly, they can try their hands with some nature. They can raise a little gardens, or you can water some plants, or even raise some nurseries, provided they have sufficient space in their home. Then they can help the elders in the home by doing some household activities. It could be cleaning the floor, it could be cleaning their own clothes, or vessel cleaning. So any of these activities they can help their elders. Then they can do some cooking also. They can try out cooking, or they can become an assistant to the chef who happens to be the mother or the grandmother. They can cut vegetables and then learn something. One more thing they can do is they can practice some good habits during this holidays. Good habits, by that what I mean is they can get up early and then do the morning chores, and then have the breakfast in time, and then take sufficient time to eat the breakfast, and have lunch in time, and then the dinner time, go to bed at the right time, and have a good sleep. This particular routine can be, you can bring a new routine, a better routine in this COVID holidays. Now let us look at what the children can do with the help of computers. With the help of computers, already they are playing games, they are doing many other things. But one of the things they can do is they can register for an online course on the subject of their interest. Maybe it's a photography, it could be an animation, or it could be a computer hardware course, right? But they can join a course on coding also. In fact, MIT has got a separate dedicated website for children on coding. Now, once they become familiar with coding, they can even try out some programming. And once they do all these things, they can develop their own commercial apps or games And if the commercial app is technically sound, they can even put it in the Play Store. So these are some of the active, and they can make use of the computers in connecting with the relatives, friends, juniors, and seniors digitally, which they can make use of the computer. And of course you are doing these things with the help of smartphone now, but then you can make use of your computers or laptop for doing this. So with computers you can learn many things, and you can try out with do it yourself kits. There are many do it yourself kits, some scientific experiments, etc. is there. One more thing is you can start looking at the items which are not working in your house. It could be a torchlight, it could be a table, some problem is there, some chairs are there, so you can start repairing all those things. In fact, you can look at repairing these items from your neighbor's house also. That also you can do. By doing that, you will learn a little bit of mechanical engineering. You will be learning a little bit of electrical work, maybe a little bit of plumbing also you may understand, and you may experience a little bit of carpentry work you will do. So all these things you can look at, which will come under the physical activities. I hope the list which we have given is useful to you. It's not an exhaustive list, we know, but still it will give you an idea of what kind of work you can opt for, depending on your interest, depending on the time availability, and depending on the facilities available at your home. Thank you for listening to this video. In case you like this video, you share this video to your friends, and then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have uploaded many such videos related to education, job, and self-development in our YouTube channel. You subscribe it and then watch those videos, and you will get benefited. Thank you once again.